Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to boot from a USB drive on your HP ProBook 450. First of all, shut down your laptop if it's currently on, so I'm just gonna quickly shut it down, and once it's shut down, plug in the USB drive that you want to boot from. So I've done it. Now let's wait until it fully shuts down, and after that also wait additional 15 to 20 seconds to make sure it's fully off. When all the fans stop spinning, then probably the laptop is already off. So press on the power button now, and immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on F9 key on your keyboard. By the way, it may not work on some external keyboards, so now if you're in this menu, then you can simply select the USB hard drive, click on enter, and it'll boot from that. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.